What is Win2PDF? Win2PDF is simple yet powerful software that allows you to create, manage, and secure PDF files easily. It's not just a PDF printer. It's comprehensive software built for a wide variety of document creation and processing needs. And it's one of the most cost-effective commercial applications on the market. While cheap PDF tools exist, they often require a subscription which can cost you more money over time. Or they are compromised with advertising, third-party add-ons, privacy loopholes, or processing in the cloud. There are 3 primary software components that are installed on your computer, and these are the Win2PDF printer, the Win2Image printer, and the Win2PDF desktop application. Since Win2PDF and Win2Image are virtual printers on your system, you can see them appear in the Printers section on your computer. They are available to convert any document or file from an application that supports standard Windows printing. Let's look at Win2PDF first. Begin by opening any document you wish to convert. This could be an Excel spreadsheet, a web page from any browser, or a report from your company's ERP system. In the list of available printers that appears, choose Win2PDF. It will be listed just like any physical printer connected to your system. A Win2PDF file save window will pop up, prompting you to name the file and choose where to save it on your computer. You can also change the file format for the saved file. In addition to standard PDF, you can choose PDF-A for archival documents, text searchable PDF, image-only PDF, XML, TIFF, scalable vector graphics, and even plain text output. Many other options are available to apply to the file, from document properties, file encryption and passwords, to watermarks and backgrounds. You can even send a copy to your paper printer or attach the created file to a new email message. The second component, the Win2Image printer, works in the same way. Saving an image is useful in presentations, websites, and social media, or with applications that only accept image files. Win2Image saves to different image formats like JPEG, TIFF, GIF, PNG, and BMP. Just select Win2Image as the printer, and you'll see that the file save window looks just like Win2PDF's, and saving is just as easy. And the third and final component of Win2PDF is the desktop app. It allows you to open and view documents of various formats, export them to a different format, or modify the pages within the PDF. The Win2PDF desktop app is a Windows program in the Win2PDF program folder. Simply open a PDF file or any other type of file you wish to convert in the Win2PDF desktop app. Once the file is open, you can merge files by appending or pre-pending other files to this document, extract pages, delete pages, split files, rotate and reorder pages. To rearrange the file, go to the Reorder Pages menu. Here you'll see the current order of pages in the document, and you can move them around into a different order. Once your pages are laid out correctly, simply apply the changes. You can also apply passwords and document security, add watermarks, and attach supplemental files to the PDF. And you can export a file to a different file format, send it as email, or print your modified file. And you can define the way to auto-name files, which is useful for automating your workflow. You can set the file name to include date and timestamps, file names, or even search terms that reside within the document itself. For example, if your document includes a customer name or an invoice number that you want to use as the file name, it can be defined here. When you configure AutoName, you can save files from the Win2PDF printer without any user prompting. Similarly, if you already have existing files that you wish to rename, you can do so using the Auto Rename feature. Again, you can use common parameters like date or timestamps, or you can use search words contained within the documents to use in the file names. An entire folder can be renamed in one operation. For ultimate productivity, you can convert entire folders of documents in a single operation using Batch Convert. You can choose an output format and even decide whether or not to merge the files together. It will also include subfolders if desired. Whether you are performing a simple print from an application or defining a complex process for batch conversion, it's all available in Win2PDF. And finally, the Watch Folder feature can automatically convert files dynamically. As files are dropped into this user-defined folder, on a network share for example, the files will automatically be converted. You choose the output format and whether or not the original is moved or deleted. You can even set up multiple watch folders. No technical expertise is needed to become proficient with Win2PDF. You'll be efficiently creating high-quality PDFs in a matter of minutes, not hours. Yet for power users with complex needs, Win2PDF offers many tools, examples, and documentation to develop plugins, automations, post-processing actions, and command line operations. While other PDF software products have moved to a licensing model with recurring costs and subscriptions, Win2PDF stands out with a simple customer-friendly pricing structure. It's a one-time purchase. There are different versions, Standard and Pro, Desktop and Server, providing flexibility in pricing depending on your needs and environment. Volume discounts are also available for enterprise solutions. There are no hidden charges, no recurring fees, and no forced upgrades. Unlike many PDF tools that rely on cloud-based processing, Win2PDF operates directly from your local machine. This means your documents are never uploaded to the internet, never stored on external servers, and never pass through unknown third-party systems. Win2PDF isn't a newcomer in the file conversion space. Having been a trusted and widely used solution for over 25 years, it boasts a long track record of performance and dependability. Win2PDF benefits from decades of development, rigorous testing, and continuous refinement based on user feedback. And finally, Win2PDF isn't just an off-the-shelf solution. It's a powerful framework that you can build into your workflow processes. With standard Windows API access and extensive command line features, many operations can be automated. Use tools like Win2PDF plugins or Microsoft's Power Automate Desktop to customize features unique to your needs. Win2PDF is a proven tool benefiting anyone who needs a simple, reliable, and secure way to create, manage, and distribute PDF files. With its volume discounts and volume license management deployment options, it is also an efficient solution for larger organizations. We encourage you to experience the simplicity and power of Win2PDF for yourself. A comprehensive free trial is available, allowing you to test out its features and see how seamlessly it integrates into your workflow before making a purchase decision. Visit www.win2pdf.com to download your free trial and learn more.